What up, y'all? This is Austin, aka Freedom Eagle. Just wanted to share something with you when looking at the estimated moving average and how to help you interpret that kind of more in a simple layman term. So, yeah, let's just dive right in it. Okay, so I've got four lines up here, and each one of these is a different EMA or estimated moving average. So, the green one is on the 20-day. The yellow one is on a 50, the orange is on a 100, and the red is on a 200. So, stocks bounce up and down. All day, all the time is what they do. So, this green line, think about that as a boss in a video game. Okay, so this green line would be level 1, yellow would be level 2, orange would be level 4, I'm sorry, 3, and then the red would be level 4. And so the red is the hardest boss to get to. So when you first start playing a video game, you have to learn how to play. So, think about this green line here, which is a level of resistance, as you learning to play the game, bouncing off of it. But then look, you finally get a little bit better, and then go up and you pass the second boss, get beat, back down. But then you already know what you're doing. So you come back up, pass it again. Now looking at it like this, I like to see it bounce back and come and immediately retest that second level boss. So then again, you're beat, but this time blow through it and you get to the third level boss, which is, something you really want to look for is when it begins to pass these upper levels. So then, naturally it's bouncing, so it's back down, test the green, rejected, almost goes over it here, boom, back up to it, and then here, getting close. See, it's how much easier it is to get past that third level boss now, because we already know, we're already expecting it. So watching it to break over that 200, this 200 moving average right here is a huge level of resistance. I'm wanting to push that stock back down, which, as you can see, successfully. I only really tried to test it once. So here we go. Boom. Next, it tests it and it breaks it. Now look at what happens. This 20-day moving average, those four, they flip and become levels of support. And so it acts the same way going back down. It boosts it back up. So, once you reach your peak, it starts to test these levels of levels of support, coming back down. And then, eventually, like anything else, it'll break below, and these lines reset again. And you're just watching that same pattern. Can you see a pattern here starting to form? Look at this. Breaking on that green line, breaking on it, coming past the 100-day, past the 100-day, almost a 200-day, boom, blows past it. Usually, what I like to look for, and this is the reason why I'm showing you this, you can look at it in a day chart. I'm looking at a minute chart. So when I'm doing my day trading, what I'm looking at is how that line is bouncing. Rarely will I go in the first time it breaks that 200 moving average, okay? Because I want to see what it's going to do. So here, it would have been a good play, right? But look, back down, and we're playing the same game again. Now, this is really effective in crypto also. If you're trying to swing trade or day trade it, this is a very effective strategy. So again, we're testing that green line. Oh, yellow, again, and then this one blows right past it again, and it flips over and becomes levels of support. So it's just something that video game analogy, it really helped me understand how that really works. You're trying to beat it, and then after that, it supports you coming down. So I hope this helps help you understand the movements of the market. This is a great tool, the EMA, if you're doing day trading. It works the best on a 1 minute and a 5 minute chart if you're day trading. But you can also make predictions, based on, here's a day chart. So you can make predictions based on a day chart as well. So just look for it. If you have any questions, comments, or whatever, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Please, if this helped you, just like my video and subscribe to my channel. And hopefully I will continue to give you market updates and little tips and tricks along the way. Is it Monday yet?